How to fix a YouTube version out of date permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a YouTube version out of date permanently. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings, click on Privacy and Security on the left side. Then, click on Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, check the box next to Browsing History. You can also select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. After that, go to the Start menu and restart your PC. This helps refresh your system. Also, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection might cause issues with YouTube. These steps should help fix the problem with YouTube showing an outdated version. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.